It's just like really giving baby hairs for what?
My friend is punching the damn thing! I did it with you right away!
My fucking phone is dead.
Get me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, but I will. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
It's fucking raining. And my eyes are on fire. And I'm late to my hair appointment. Hopefully my hairstylist still takes me today. Her birthday is tomorrow, so she has a lot of stuff to do today. The gag is my hairstylist is also my friend, so hopefully I can finesse because I got to do her hair too. So yeah, we both need our hair done, and I'm late. I'm fucking late. I gotta turn this air on high because my eyes is on fire right now. My last check didn't have a fee. My hairdresser just called me, and it's a green light, so I can still go to my appointment. So I'm on my way there now, and it's still raining, and my eyes are still on fire. But the good thing is my hair appointment didn't get canceled. Her birthday is tomorrow. She's having like a kickback, get together, girls' night type of thing. So see you guys when I get there. Enjoy the ride.
Baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
I'm pulling up to my hair appointment, right? And my phone is dead. My fucking phone is dead. But I work here, so I could charge it. But that's not the point. How am I gonna record for y'all if my phone is dead? Depression is getting worse. I had to put on my old faja. Ashes are burning my eyes to hell. Let me get out. Come on, y'all. Let's go.
Are you recording?
Yep.
You're back on vlogging? Oh, that's dope. You can get me in there once my hair is done.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't.
Look at that bitch braid. So I ended up having to braid my own hair down because I didn't get to the shop until like almost 1, because that's what time I got done with my lash appointment. So my hair appointment was originally at like 11:15. She had a few people in the chair, so I had to braid my own hair down in the shop, and I'm just end up doing my own hair, which is cool. I just wanted her to shampoo me, which she did. I did what I could. They're not that bad. So I did most of my hair without y'all, but it's really the only moment that I've really had to take some time with myself. But yeah, did my nails. Hopefully they're not messed up. They're kind of yellow now because I had to color some hair. Yuck. I'm pissed. But yeah. So, this is where we at with it. I'm almost done. I just gotta put like 2 or 3 more tracks up there. And then I'm gonna set under the dryer and style my hair. Getting your hair done when people know you're a hairstylist, because I feel like they be moving. Damn, y'all can't even see me. Hold on. My bad. I had to bring it down a notch. Y'all was up there whispering to Jesus. Like, hopefully I don't got no gaps back here because I can't see the back of my head. Hopefully it's nice and flat. But that's what the pronto is giving. I'll be back with y'all when it's time to style.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Is this in the middle, y'all? No.
You can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you.
I think I'm over the baby hair stage. What it is, but lately, I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or because the baby hairs on leave out just don't be staying how they was after a couple days. But I just really am over, I'm just over the whole baby hair thing. Don't like it no more. And I just been feeling the natural leave out. I don't know if it's trending. I really don't know what it is. I'm just over baby hairs for now. I'm about to press my leave out. I mean, flat iron my leave out and show y'all what I mean. It's just like, you know what I mean? Like, it's like really giving baby hairs for what? It's giving like for what? I don't know. Don't listen to me. I could change my mind tomorrow and be with a 30-inch bust down with all the swoop to do. So right now, this is just how I'm feeling. All right. This is what the hair is giving. And I'm about to clean up the shop and get out of here.
What about them lamb chops though?
Oh, them lamb chops.
What's
I
them
like
lamb chops?
Them lamb chops.
It was
up.
marinated.
That's why when
Overnight.
you hear me?
Then dip me underway. You can fill your mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my